They don't know what the temperature is.
Oh, I mean, what building is on fire?
Well,
Oh,
that
it's
train derailed.
tankers.
Oh, I see. Oh, is that right?
Yeah, I guess one of them derailed and it blew up.
Oh, wow.
I bet what happened was cut a hole and then a vapor.
Oh, and then it exploded.
Yeah.
More of the train up there. If it's not still attached, it's definitely still too close.
Yeah. They need to get the rest of that moved back.
But they might not be able to get close enough.
Oh, I wouldn't go close.
Well,
Is it just the car, the train car that's burning, and did it set anything else on fire?
We're not sure.
we're not sure yet. It just happened.
Wow.
I heard they're evacuating that end of town.
Wow. Yeah, I can imagine. My goodness. Well.
My goodness.
Just hope no one was hurt.
Yeah, that's, you know, things can be replaced.
Sure.
Yeah.